So, how to make a diecast car dealer? So, you're gonna need a lot of small cars that don't move, that are not diecast, and you need a lot of diecast cars too. So, first you start with this part, and you need a table. You gotta keep it on. So, you need 1, 2, 3. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 diecast cars, and you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cars. And you gotta put your invention car right here. And you're gonna bring a toy people, only one, and then he's gonna be the owner of the car dealer. I found a penguin. And so you need to bring toy peoples, and then they just buy your car, and then it just lets out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.